to CITS training. My name is Mehdi. Through these videos, I'm going to walk you through the steps that you need to follow in order to build your SD-WAN lab in GNS3. I'm following this topology, but I didn't want to apply all the details because the most important thing that we need is to have the control plane built between the controllers and all the vEdges. And basically what SD-WAN does, it separates the control plane from the data plane. So the data plane will be on the vEdges. They will forward traffic based on the requirements of the controllers, and then the controllers can be either on the cloud or on premises. And on the transport side, you have the choice between MPLS and the internet, and then you have the service coming from each side, and then you have all choices and either to build your hub and spoke or your full mesh topology, whatever the requirements are for your network. So in order to start, let me go ahead and select one and say yes. Again, yes. Basically, for all the SD-WAN equipment, I mean the controllers and the vEdges, the credentials are admin, login, admin, password, admin. So now the vManage is rebooting. Let me go ahead and bring up the vBound, and then the vSmart. Okay, so while they are deploying, let me pull this up, and we have a map that we're going to follow, and we're going to go through these steps. The other thing that I would like to do is to bring up the CH, because I have the vEdges and the CHs. I'm going to bring up to set up the CH at site 5, because all the vEdges are already connected, but I didn't want to do it for the CH because it needs some steps. Basically, the difference between vEdge and CH is that vEdges were developed by Viptela, and when Cisco bought Viptela, Cisco went ahead, took the image of the vEdges and implemented it on routers. So it runs on the CSR 1000 and other couple of routers. So I'm gonna walk you through the steps of setting up your CH. So basically you need to come on configuration and make sure that you have 3000 of gig at least, because it takes a lot of RAM. On the network, you come and you add some adapters. You can come here and select this one, you can apply, and then you come and you change it to VMXNet. And then when that is done, you click OK, apply. Then you can connect based on my topology. ETH1 is going to the internet, and then ETH20 is going to the MPLS cloud. And then we can have one interface going to the service. And so that's done. Let's go back to our vManage. It is now ready. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so for my topology, I have the vManage. We'll be talking with my NAT to get an IP address from DHCP. And then I have all the I have one interface facing the MPLS cloud and the other interface going to the internet. Let me apply these lines in order to get the IP address from DHCP. I will commit and show interface. As you can see, we got our IP address from DHCP. I will use this to log onto the, um, the GUI of the WAN Edge. So let me bring a so looks like it's okay. It's talking already to 81. You can go to advanced, accept risk, and then I would like just to bring to your attention that you need to it might block your session, but as I already accepted all the permissions, I allowed my browsers to accept these sites. The first time you might be blocked, but you just need to grant permissions. So admin, I can save. So while that is going through, I will take this line for the vBond. And just to let you know, the vBond runs with the same image as the vEdges. So there is one command that makes it the vBond, and we will see that. Now I need to apply those lines. Commit. And then I will take this IP address, which is the vBond IP address. I will bring it onto the vManage GUI. So as you can see, we have only one controller. It is the vManage, of course, because it is up and running. And then we have 0 vBond, 0 vEdge, 0 vSmart. The first thing that we need to do is to make some changes here, settings, and then we need to set up the IP address of the vBond. You can save it, and then we need to set up the name of our organization. In this case it is CITS. You can choose your name. And then the third thing, make sure that certification is set to manual. So once that is done, we can end this session, and we will meet on the next one to start with we can start applying the bootstrap configuration of all the equipment. Thank you. I will see you there.